Welcome back to, we're changing the name, Fridge or Throw. Um, because I like this one more. Get over it. Today, or sorry, where I decide if these drinks deserve a spot on my fridge or if I throw them against that wall. Today, sorry, Dad, I didn't have anything else, so we're doing, and this is our first diet soda of the series. We're doing Diet Pepper, wow. Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar. It's technically zero sugar soda, but not a diet soda. I don't. Same thing. Same thing. Shut up. Um. Yeah. And I don't know. Let's try it. Now I know throwing that one is probably not a popular opinion, but first off, I make the rules around here. Okay. And second, I just it wasn't that bad, but I would never get that personally. I am not a fan of Dr. Pepper. I'm not a fan of Pepsi. I'm not a fan of Coca Cola that much. Like whenever I'm cutting and I just need something, I'll take any of them. But put it in front of my face, I'll eat it. But I, I would just I'd never get it personally. So for that reason, it hit the wall. Yeah, like I said, I make the rules around here. My decision. Get over it. You can cry about it. But besides that, thank you again. Let me know if you have any suggestions. And yeah, bye bye.